everyone, and welcome to our first Project Thursday. Yay, Project Thursday! Okay, so as I told you yesterday, I gave you a video of the materials you're going to be needing. I'm going to be using an H-hook for this one, and my off-white. We're going to start with the slip knot, like I showed you before in my videos. And you're going to chain up 4. And this is where I'm going to show you how to do the magic circle. Now the magic circle is going to be a little ring that you're going to be making with these 4 chains. And that little circle is going to be the beginning of pretty much all of our beanies. So this is how we're going to start it. You're going to chain up the 4, and then you're going to go into that first stitch you made. And you're going to pull the yarn through, and you're going to go through both loops just straight through. And that's your little magic circle right there. That's the workspace you're going to be working with. Okay? Now you're going to chain up 1, and you're going to do 12 half double crochets through that little loop. So the way you do that is you wrap your yarn around, go through that loop, through the center of that loop. That's my sun. You're going to pull it through. You have 3. And you're going to do a half double crochet, which means you're going to just go through all 3 loops. And that's your first. You're going to wrap your yarn around, go through that center, pull it through, go through all 3 loops. And that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and see how it is? It looks like here like I'm running out of space, and you can just pull those stitches back and you get more space. So it's really simple. Okay, how many were that? There were, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. From now on, I'm going to be showing you the beginning of the pattern and the end of the pattern, how to close your rows, only because I want to be able to save time on my videos, so I don't have to make that many videos. So just stay up with me. And that's Sophie over there. Okay, then you're going to go through that first stitch you made, go through it. I know it's going to be kind of snuggy to go through it, but you can do it. There you go. And you're going to pull that yarn through, and you're going to slip stitch, which is you're going to pull it through and just go through the other stitch to close your row. Okay, now the spaces that you see right here underneath, those are going to be your work spaces. Okay, now on the next row you're going to chain up 2. Oh, my yarn got stuck. Let's see. There we go. You're going to chain up 2. Okay, and then you're going to go into that same space that we slip stitch to close our row. You're going to go through that same one, and you're going to put 2 half double crochets on that stitch. Okay, so that's 1, 2. Okay, now you're going to go to the next workspace, which is this one right here. And you're going to put 2 half double crochets in that stitch. And that is our pattern for the second row, because this is your second row. Oops, sorry. For your second row. You're going to be doing 2 half double crochets on every stitch all the way around, and you're going to end up with 24 stitches. So if you count them, there'll be 24. So we'll see you when I'm done. Okay, now we're at the end of our work. I have the last 2 stitches here. Wrap your yarn around, go through, pull it through, go through all 3, wrap your yarn around, go through the same stitch, do another half double crochet. Now in the last stitch, this one, and then another half double crochet. Now you're going to slip stitch to the beginning of that first chain that you did, the first half double crochet on top. That's where you're going to slip stitch. So just pull the yarn through and then pull through all 2, and that's how you close your second row. That's your second row of half double crochets. Now you're going to chain up 2, and you're going to do 1 single half double crochet through every stitch, including the one that you slip stitch to close your row. That was 1, that's 2, that's 3. So that's pretty much all you're going to be doing. You're going to be going all the way around to do your half double crochets, 1 single half double crochet all the way around. So we'll see you at the end. Okay, I am at the end of my work with my last stitch right here. I'm going to put that half double crochet on the last stitch and slip stitch to the top of that first half double crochet that we made. And this is the end of our 3rd row. Now this is where I'm going to stop my video, and I'll continue on my second one.